got trans women, you've got trans men, you've got genderqueer people, you've got agender people, and you've got non-binary people, and you've got people who are trans feminine or trans masculine, regardless of which way they're going.
You can be like cisgender and be comfortable with the body you're in and the roles, or genderqueer and not identify as either and be in the middle of these binaries.
When you're born, a doctor will be like, oh, that's a boy or that's a girl, and then once you grow up, you're expected to be either a man or a woman. People who feel like their body is betraying them as it goes through puberty and as it develops. So transgender really just means that you are breaking away from the gender that was assigned to you at birth and forging your own new one. There are some people out there who think that being transgender means going from male to female. It comes down to owning your own labels and choosing your own labels, and then being able to express those labels to other people. Labels should never be the definitive be all end all of you. They just represent a part of you, or a part of your history, or a part of your culture.